Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some brand new brushes that came in the mail yesterday, and that is from rephr. I know I did a video a couple weeks ago sharing with you my very first rephr brushes purchase. I did end up getting the core set, which is still on sale. I cannot believe they've extended the sale so long. But guys, this is my very first experience with the brand and also with using natural luxury makeup brushes. And I have been so pleased with these brushes that when I saw they were releasing a holiday collection, I knew I had to pick it up. So guys, this is the set I picked up. It does come with 3 makeup brushes, and it does come with this nice little brush holder where you can very easily split apart into 2, and you have a brush holder here and a brush holder there, and it just makes having and storing your brushes just a little bit easier, kind of keeps them all in one place. But let me go ahead and give you guys some specifics on these 3 brushes. Then we are going to put these little beauties in action today. The rephr Brushes Holiday Collection is a limited edition brush set that was created to celebrate the holiday season. It also comes with a reusable brush holder. Brush 23 is the smaller sibling to Brush 3, and it offers unparalleled softness and pinpoint precision. Brush 24 is ultra soft, dense, and a more substantial version to the popular Brush 5. Finally, Brush 25 is the new and improved version of Brush 11, which is undoubtedly the most requested rephr brush of all time. Alright guys, so let me give you a quick demo on how you can incorporate this new rephr Brushes Holiday Collection 2020 into your daily routine. I am also going to be creating an eye look, and I'm going to dip back into my BH Cosmetics Ho Ho Holidays Naughty Eyeshadow Palette. That way I can at least use the little precision brush here. This is the Brush 23 that came in the holiday set, and then I'm also going to be using some brushes from the core set and some other eye brushes that I picked up separately from the rephr website. So guys, if you want to see how all these rephr brushes do, especially the brand new holiday collection, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I already have my foundation on and I have my eyebrows, which came out a little bit darker than what I was expecting, but we're going to go for it. I want to apply some cream bronzer, cream contour, and I also want to apply some cream blush. And for that guys, I'm going to go into brush number 24. So this is a densely packed brush, and then the brush that they were saying this is very similar to is brush 5. So this is brush 5. This is in the core set, which is also available. It's also on sale. And then this is the one I just got, and this one is brush 24. So you can definitely see that there is a difference there. Okay, so let me dip into the brush 23. So for my cream bronzer contour, I'm going to go into a recent arrival to my stash. This is the Ford Shade and Illuminate, and I have Intensity 0.5. And that is the product that I picked up. It's like the perfect size for this area of the face, like to just really get the product right in there where you would want to contour with. That is perfect. I actually think I prefer this brush more than the one I just showed you that is similar to it, which is the number 5 brush for this cream contour. What do you guys think? Isn't it blending it out so well? Like there's no, it's not like taking off my foundation or anything like that. It's just applying it perfectly, like really even. All right, so that worked really, really well, like really nice. I think I'm going to be switching to this one for my cream bronzer, cream contour, which I have been wearing more so as of lately. So really do like this number 24 brush. Now what I want to do is I want to apply just a little bit of regular bronzer on top of this cream bronzer, but I also want to go in with a cream blush. And oh my goodness, guys, I hope you saw my last video because it was over these new e.l.f. Putty Blushes. These are amazing, and I'm definitely going to pick up the one shade that I didn't get, which was Maldives. I do have that on my list of things to order, but the shades that I'm going to go in with today, I'm going to go in with Bahamas, which is this one right here. And then I'm also going to go in with Bali, and it's that shade right here. Okay, so I'm going to start first with Bali, and I'm going to use the same number 25 brush. I'm not going to clean it off or anything. It's okay that it has some of the bronzer on there, but I am going to pick it up. Now, what I've been using to apply these cream blushes is the e.l.f. Putty Applicator that was released alongside it. That brush is absolutely amazing. I don't think I have it handy to show you, but if you watch my last video, watch my video because amazing. I swatch everything. That brush is perfect for these cream blushes. But let's try this rephr one. Let's see what kind of a blend we get. Ooh. Ooh. Nice. Such a pretty shade. This one is Bali. Kind of like a reddish, like rusty color. And this brush is definitely applying it really well. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of the shade Bahamas, and I'm just going to apply that right here to the apples of the cheeks. Thing with these natural hair brushes, guys, is they really pick up the product. Like you get your pigmentation that you're looking for from the product that you're using, but they just blend it out like a dream. Like I cannot tell you guys how happy I am to have these brushes in my life. All right, now I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter before I go in with an all-over finishing powder and we try out this large brush. Actually, you know, I think I've seen where people use this for bronzer as well. I want to see if maybe, you know what, let me grab a bronzer and we can try using it on the forehead. All right, so I'm just going to go in with this Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. Very light powder, but really pretty bronzer. That's what it looks like there. I'm just going to focus this mainly on my forehead just to help set this Tom Ford cream bronzer. So definitely if you want like all over warmth to the skin, then this would be a good, just going to add a little bit right there, a good brush to use. Although I'm thinking I'm going to reserve this mainly for just like an all over face powder, whether it be a loose powder, pressed powder, or a finishing powder. I think that is going to be what I use. I will see moving forward. See, because like right now I want to do my nose, and actually let me go back into the 24 brush. I'm going to pick up a little bit of this Essence bronzer. So I definitely like to do this to my nose, like to contour. Now I go under. Now let me jump into my highlighter, and this is from Juvia's Place. Now, I don't have a rephr brush that would be specifically for highlighter, so I'm going to use Sigma brush, and this is the Sigma F03 brush. Now I'm going to use the bigger brush just to kind of blend this out. So I'm going to take this one from Hourglass, and this is the Ambient Lighting Infinity Powder. And you'll see I'm just buffing that all over. I don't usually use this powder on my nose just because it does provide a bit of luminosity, and we don't want to be shiny there. I do like to just kind of place it everywhere else. You can kind of see that applying this powder does take away a little bit from the blush. So I'm going to go back in with Bahamas, just a little bit on my cheeks. Just kind of bring the color back. All right, guys, so that is the complexion. Let me add a little bit of my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Now let's jump into the eyes so that we can try out the rephr number 23 brush. And I'm not going to do any talking through this portion of the video, just going to let you watch how I use this rephr 23 brush, as well as some of the other rephr eye brushes that I have in my collection. Alright guys, so this is the completed look using my rephr brushes, using the new holiday collection, using the core set, and also using some other eye brushes I picked up a few weeks ago from the rephr brushes website. What did you guys think of the look? What did you guys think of the brushes? Guys, my final thoughts on the brushes, and just like I said in the video that I made a couple of weeks ago, I love the brushes. I think it just enhances the overall makeup experience, and it really enhances the overall performance of whatever makeup products you are using. You definitely are gonna get that noticeable pigment payoff with these brushes, and I think that they just feel so soft. They glide so well over the skin. I have definitely, guys, 110% been enjoying all of the rephr brushes that I've picked up this past month, and I look forward, guys, to adding more to my collection. If you are interested in picking up the rephr brushes holiday set, it is available for half price on the rephr brushes website. I will have that linked down below. It is not an affiliate link, but I will have it linked directly from the website in case you want to check it out. I will also link my original rephr brushes first impression review video so that you can check that out as well. That way you can see the core set in action and some of the other eye brushes. But yeah, guys, if you have been wanting to try natural hair brushes, again, these are undyed goat hair brushes, I would definitely give rephr a shot. These are my very first ever luxury natural hair brushes, and I've been so happy with them. I think this would make an amazing gift for the makeup lover in your life, or why not a gift from you to you? Can always work that out. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.